Just now we will start with our today's class, and our today's topic will be SEO, like what is SEO and what are the basics or things included in SEO. So I'll be sharing my screen now. Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Jyotsna, I just wanted to understand, like, do you know what is SEO as we discussed this already? So, what is your understanding about SEO in like in very simple terms?
Ma'am, SEO is like non-paid advertising.
Okay. Not only advertising, it's something else. Like, but SEO includes paid and non-paid both things. So, can you like come again with the definition, something else, if you can remember what we discussed
It's
earlier?
ma'am, its main goal is to enhance your website ranking.
Yes. Yes, that's correct. So now we will discuss about like what is SEO, search engine optimization. So as you can see that SEO, this term is SEO. So is made of two terms, that is search engine and optimization. So if you remember, like what is search engine? First, we have to understand what is search engine, and then we have to understand what is optimization, and then we can combine both of these terms. So search engine, I guess you know, search engine is obviously a search software that is designed to help users to find information which is stored in the internet. So whenever you search something on, for example, can you name any search engine, Rachna, which you have used?
Google.
Yes, Google is a search engine. So
Okay.
yes, then yes, any other?
ChatGPT,
No,
Chrome.
no, these are not the search engines. Try again. You must know that, like we have multiple search engines.
Is Chrome an example of search engine?
No, no, Chrome is not an example of search engine. So as you said, Google is the most like one of the popular search engines. Then we have Yahoo. You must have known Yahoo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yahoo is the one. Say the like another one, and then we have Bing. You must have heard about Microsoft Bing. Rosna, have you heard of Microsoft Bing? Like this is this like PPT I have opened is in Microsoft Bing only.
Okay.
So you can this is Microsoft Bing. So this is Microsoft Bing. This is also a search engine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is like these are the multiple search engines. And these are some of like we have other search engines as well. We have like to go, which is for like some other countries. Then we have Beidou for China, Yandex for Russia, and others we have discussed already. So these are like some of the popular search engines which we use. And then we have like we were talking about these two terms, search engine, which we have discussed already. Like now you understand what is search engine. And I have also answered the multiple search engines. Then we have the term optimization. So optimization, you have to understand like what is optimization. Optimization is basically when you try to make things better or more efficient or when you try to use something in a better way, in an efficient way. So that is optimization. So now you have to understand search engine and then optimization. What we have to do is we have to use our website. We have to optimize our website or web pages so that we can rank it in a better way. So that is how you have to understand search engine. Now coming to the definition, we have like a search engine is basically some set of practices that we do so that we can improve our website visibility and ranking in search engine results. That is SERs. The goal is to attract like organic traffic, that is non-paid traffic from search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo. So these are the like some popular search engines which we focus on. And SEO basically involves optimizing various elements of like website. We have to improve our website. We have to like include including content, the HTML coding, how is the architecture of our website is, and then we have to make it more search engine friendly and relevant to user queries. So it is basically we have to make our content keyword rich content. What is keyword rich content? It refers to like material that contains some good selected keywords which are relevant to our topic or audience. So, that's is the definition of search engine clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will discuss about the keyword, the key aspects of SEO. What did it basically include? So the first one is keyword research. As the name suggests keyword and research. We have to do the research of keywords. How we have to do it, we will learn in the further classes. Now you have to understand like you have to identify, basically you have to identify and then target those keywords that your potential users or your visitors can use to search for your query. I'll show you an example. Like I for Prayug, which is our brand. So if I am searching like for digital marketing course, so for me, this is something as a user, I am searching digital marketing course. So that means I this is the potential keyword I'll be using to search for like what what I can search as a user, and this is the potential keyword a business should focus on. That is considered as like which keyword we should consider. Hello, Sam.
Yes, hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You are late for the class. So when you have joined, have you joined just now?
Yes. I had a little issue on my Wi-Fi.
Sorry.
I said I had a little issue on my Wi-Fi.
Okay, no issues. So I'll quickly brief what we have done till now. We have just covered the definition of SEO. So I'll quickly brief you what we have done till now, and then we can continue with our further topics. Okay. Okay, so we just discussed. Jyotsna, can you just recall like what we have discussed till now?
What, ma'am?
Can you just like quickly recall or quickly summarize what we have discussed till now?
Okay, so first we have just learned about the SEO, that is search engine optimization. So if we go through the definition of SEO, we will discuss in it two types. First we will discuss about the search engine, and then we will learn about the optimization. So what is search engine? It is a kind of software that is help for searching, like Google, Yahoo, Microsoft. And then we come back to optimization. So optimization is the thing when you try to make things better and more relevant. So The definition of SEO, the mainly it helps us to improve our website visibility and ranking with the search engine result. So its main goal is to attract organic, non-paid traffic from the search.
It's very well defined. Josna, this shows that you have like listened to me very carefully.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. So now we were discussing about keyword research. So in keyword research, what we have to do is we have to just identify and then we have to target those relevant keyword. If like Jyotsna is my, for example, Jyotsna is my like potential visitor. I assume that she will be visiting my website. Like as a then what as a user she will be searching for. So I assume that she will be searching for digital marketing course. So if she is from Gurugram or Gurgaon, she will be searching for digital marketing course in Gurgaon. So the main keyword which I have to focus on is digital marketing course. So that is my relevant keyword which I should focus on, which I should work on. So like we'll see in further classes how you can do keyword research. Like this is one of the way you can always check from like in this from here, like what are the relevant or the potential things your user will be searching for. You can check from here. Then we have on-page optimization. In on-page optimization, you have to optimize like every individual page of your website. So this is my website, and these are the multiple courses or multiple pages. So you can say multiple like what we have to like work on. So I have to make sure that every page of my website should be like well and every element is keyword rich. Like as we discussed earlier, like what is keyword rich content? Keyword rich content is basically the written material that contains some selected, like very selected keywords which are relevant to a specific topic. For example, digital marketing or some special like some industry, which is IT industry, or some particular audience who are interested in doing courses or something else. So we have to make sure the content is keyword rich content. Then coming to meta tags, what are meta tags? Meta tags are some pieces of information you can use so that you can tell the search engines or those viewing your site more about like your page or information about like information it contains. So meta tag is nothing else, it's just some information which is used to tell your audience that yes, this is the information this page can contain. So you can go for it. Like if I'll show you what are meta tags. We have meta title, meta description, and multiple other things. So this is this advanced digital marketing course in Gurgaon, Haryana. This is the meta title, which comes under meta tags. This shows what this page contains, and this is the meta description. Like you can check like this is something related to digital marketing course in Gurgaon, and you can get like you can join today and what else you can get from here. Like every website has a meta tags, and it is very important, like very, very important to have meta tags. And this is a part of on pages. See, this is this code tell like master courses of this, duration is this, advanced courses. So this tells about like this is basically a summary of your whole page, like what you can expect from this page. And then we have headers. Headers are like basically if I if I go for like this page, then header will be like this is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. These are the header tags which we have to focus on, and we have to use these tags in a particular way. Then we have multimedia. Multimedia are basically the photos, the thumbnails, the videos, and everything like these graphics as well. So these are the multimedia you have to focus on, like these videos, and so you have to optimize all of these things. And like when you work on your website, like website pages or website whole website, then that work will be considered as your on page SEO. Then the third point is off-page optimization. So off-page optimization is basically when you build high quality backlinks from some good websites so that you can improve your website's authority and credibility, which is basically in like improving your website's ranking. What are high quality backlinks? High quality backlinks are basically links from other websites to your website that are seen as trustworthy, relevant, or authoritative by search engines. So basically, we have to work on those websites which are like of good authority in eyes of search engine. So we have to get backlinks from those websites only. Then we have technical SEO. In technical SEO, we have to address all the technical aspects of our website, including what is the website speed, if it is mobile friendly or not. Mobile friendliness is basically the design in the functionality of a website that provide an optimal viewing and user experience on mobile devices. Like how our website look on the mobile device is our mobile friendliness. And then crawlability, if the website is the Google bots basically crawl about our website or not, if they are indexing our website or not. Have we discussed about crawling, indexing, and ranking? Jyotsna and Sam, have we discussed about crawling, indexing, and ranking?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So as we
No,
discussed,
Sissy.
sorry, as we discussed about search engine, so I forgot to tell you like how search engines work. We can discuss that now. Then only you will be able to understand the concept of crawlability, indexability, and then ranking. So these are three terms. If I can write through this, oh my God, this is very bad. Ranking. So these are the three terms which we have to focus on when we are doing SEO. So, like, first of all, like Google has like the search engine. If I particularly talk about Google, which is a search engine, has some boats or spiders we call them. So these are web crawlers basically. Please try to understand the term web crawlers. And as I already mentioned, they are known as the spiders or boats. What they do is they browse all the internet and follow the links from page to page, and then discover what is the new content uploaded on the internet, what is the content which is updated on internet, like all was already there but it has some changes in it. So crawling is basically when the spiders or the bots crawl your website, like finds your website and check what is the new content or what is the updated content in your website. So that is crawling. Then we have the second term, that is indexing. What is indexing? After crawling, search engines basically store and organize the information which they have collected during crawling, and like information about like what actually they discovered while they were crawling the whole internet. So that is indexing. That is basically storing the information in their databases. Then we have ranking. Ranking is basically the process of determining the order, like in which the pages appear in search results, and when a user basically performs some query. Like I search for digital marketing course, then I have searched for I have searched for digital marketing course. So you can see over here, like there are multiple ranks. So the ranking is basically determining how these websites will appear in like which rank uh, whenever someone searches for a query. So this is how crawling, indexing, and ranking works. I hope it is clear to both of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sam, is it clear to you?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, so that's perfect. So now you can understand like in technical SEO, we have to check if our website is crawlable or not, if it is getting indexed or not, if we are getting a good rank for our website or not. So we have to check all of these in technical SEO. Then we have content creation. In content creation, we have to make sure that we should develop a high quality and relevant and some valuable content that if you are a user, you are satisfied with our content, and if you are searching for something, then we should address all your needs. We should answer all your questions. So in that we have to do content creation. Then the sixth point is user experience. User experience, you have to ensure that the website provides a positive and a seamless experience for visitors. We have to give users a good experience, and we have to give them easy navigation, that if like for example if you are visiting my website, then I can go easily from this page to this page to this page, and there should not be any like difficulties for me to visiting one page to another page. The second thing is fast loading times. Many of times you must have visited any website and you seen that that website is not opening from the last 2 to 3 minutes. Then you just what you will do is you just leave that website and go to another website. So that is a bad user experience. You have to take care of that. You have to make sure that your website like opens very quickly in the blink of an eye, and you should provide a good user experience. Then we have local SEO, as the name suggests, local. So we have to optimize our website in such a way that whenever someone searches for local results, our like business should be visible to those who are targeting like local businesses, like local searches. If I search for cafe near me, then this is a local keyword, and I'll be searching, I'll be seeing which cafe is near me. So near me basically gives me location, with like cafes which are nearby me, and that is something we have to work on, that whenever someone searches about like near me or in Gurgaon or in Delhi or something else or any other state or cities, then our website should be visible. Our website should be visible to the user, and we have to optimize our website in to appear in local search result, especially important for business which are only targeting local audience. Like the people who are targeting local audience, they should like do local SEO so that their website is visible to the local audience or local people. Then we have analytics and monitoring. You have to use those tools so that you can track how the website is performing, what is the user behavior, and then you have to make data driven decision, and you like basically you have to make decision according to the data you get from these tools. So that is what is SEO. I hope it is clear now. So SEO is
Ma'am,
clear. Yes,
could you please repeat the analytics and monitoring?
sure. So analytics and monitoring is basically when you will use like Google Analytics, as I showed you the other day, then you can track like how your website is performing, how many new users are there, how many current visitors are there, like live visitors are there. What if your website is performing in a particular area or not? Like what are the important areas your website is popular in, and everything will be like how your users are behaving. Every data related to this will be available on Google Analytics, and then based on those data you have to like make data and sorry decisions or make strategies like how your website is performing, if you should change your strategy or you should add on to that strategy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope this part is clear, like what is SEO is clear to you, both of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Sam, is the topic clear to you?
Yes, only the on-page optimization. I know
Yes.
that.
Yes. Okay, I'll come to the second topic now. So now we have discussed about search engine optimization. We will be now talking about the techniques of SEO. So let's start with the second topic for the day. So search engine optimization, as we discussed already, is very like crucial component of digital marketing, and it basically aims so that we can enhance our website visibility and improve our website's ranking in search engine result pages, that is SERPs. SEO strategies like can be categorized in three types. It has three types: white hat SEO, black hat SEO, gray hat SEO. And each of these approaches has different set of tactics, different set of techniques, and and they vary from their ethical implications and risk levels. Like every type has their own implications, like ethical implications, and have own risk levels. Firstly, we will discuss about like white hat SEO. White hat SEO basically refers to the ethical SEO techniques that align with the search engine guidelines and basically focus on providing good value to the users. So it is the most ethical way. Remember, white hat SEO is the most ethical way of SEO. It means the right way of SEO is ethical. Also, it is also known as the organic SEO. In like in this technique, we are doing SEO without breaking the rules of the search engine and trying to rank the website on the first place. This is that's why this is known as white hat SEO. As so these techniques, why we use these techniques, techniques help us to improve the search engine rankings through quality content, proper keyword research, and good optimization strategies. So white hat SEO basically includes like when we optimize mobile devices, titles and tagging, internal external linking, great content, or when we use alt tags, organize our website in a proper way, we have structured markup languages. So this is are this these are the things which are included in white hat SEO. Then we have quality content creation. So quality content creation, in quality content creation, we have to create high quality and relevant content which provides value to the users and that satisfy the user need and provide them useful information, good information. Then we have keyword optimization. So keyword optimization basically include conduct when we do keyword research and when we include keywords into the website content, title, meta descriptions, and headings. So everything we have to optimize like keywords very carefully. So that is also like included in our whitehead SEO. Then we have on-page optimization. So in on-page optimization, as we have discussed earlier, we have to focus on the title tags, meta descriptions, headers, URLs, internal linking, and so that we can improve our website's ranking in the search engine and improve the users with experience as well. Then comes high quality backlinks. So we have to get good quality backlinks from the websites which have good authority and which are relevant to our outreach or content marketing. Like we can do it through outreach, we can reach any websites, we can do it through content marketing, through networking, just like rather than indulging in like manipulative link schemes, we can do it in other ways. Then we have social media marketing. So in like we have to utilize social media platforms to where we can share the content, engage with our audience, and attract more traffic to our website. Then comes user experience optimization. We have to improve website usability, page loading speed, and navigation, and overall the user experience is enhanced and satisfied so that we can ask the visitors like in 1 second. Yeah, we were discussing about user experience optimization. So we have to improve the website usability, the page loading speeds, and then that people can like show. So yes, this is my website. We have to what we were discussing that we have to improve the website usability. That if someone is using our website, it should be easy to use and they can easily find all of the things in our web, like in good places. Then page loading speed. If someone is like visiting our website and like opening any pages, then it should load like very fast, like very quickly. We have to make sure. And then the third thing is navigation. You have to make sure that it you are in the website, you are providing good navigation. As I can see, here are all the courses which are mentioned. Then we have exam over here, and if I want to go to the blogs, it is at the bottom of the website, and everything is easily navigatable here, and which will obviously include like improve overall user experience, and the user will be satisfied and it will encourage their repeated visits to our website. Then we have proper HTML markup. So firstly, you have to understand like what is HTML. Any one of you know what is HTML? Yes, no.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So HTML, you must have only heard about it. And that is hypertext markup language. It is the like standard markup language for like documents which are designed to be displayed in a web browser. So it's basically a standard for documents so that we can, it is designed so that the documents can be visible, can be displayed in a web browser. So you using clean and systematic. So we have to use good like clean HTML markup so that we can make our website easily crawlable and understandable by the search engine boards. Then local SEO strategies, you have to implement some good tactics and so that you can improve your website in local search result, such as you have to make like Google My Business listings, and then you have to get local citations. All of these things you have to take care of while doing white hat SEO. Then monitoring and analysis, you have to regularly monitor. This is the very important step. You have to regularly monitor your website performance, your search engine rankings, your traffic metric, how your user is behavior, so that you get to know yet you get to know that yes, this is the area I am lagging. I have to work on that. I need to improve this area, or I have to adjust some strategies so that our website gets improved easily. Talking about the example of whitehead issue, so a company regularly publishes informative blog posts related to this their industry, and they provide valuable insight to their audience while incorporating relevant keywords naturally. They also engage in outreach to earn backlinks from reputable websites. So in this, they have covered all the things we have discussed here, that a company is regularly publishing blog posts which is related to their industry, so which is very relevant, and we are making sure that it provide valuable insight to those to their audience and using relevant keywords naturally. And they also are engaging in outreach to earn like backlinks from reputable websites. So they are using all of the things which we should focus on, like look white hat SEO. So I hope white hat SEO is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Sam, what about you?
Yes, sir, I can confirm.
Okay. Then comes black hat SEO. So we discussed like white hat SEO is properly like ethical way of doing SEO, whereas white hat SEO is like something which includes like using deceptive and manipulative techniques so that we can improve our search engine ranking, and it often is on the like expense sorry, is often on the expense of user experience or violating some search engine guidelines. So, and these techniques are just short-term gains, but they can like lead to more like long-term penalties or long-term damage to our website's reputation. So we have to make sure we try to not use these techniques. So black hat SEO, if I summarize, is like the unethical way of doing SEO. It is the wrong way of doing SEO where we are not following the guidelines, rules, and restrictions of search engine. If you if you do this on your website, like black hat SEO, if you use this black hat SEO on your website, then your website can be blacklisted, which means it will not be visible to the search engine result pages, that is SERPs. It will be not visible over there. So you have to like you should try to avoid this technique. So discussing about what is included in black hat SEO, that is keyword stuffing, as the name suggests, stuffing. So they are stuffing the keywords, but in white hat SEO we discussed that we should like naturally use keywords. We don't have to stuff it. Keyword stuffing basically includes overloading the web pages with irrelevant keywords so you can manipulate search results. So keyword placement should be done in a natural way, not by overstuffing or repeating the same word again and again. So you should not do that. Like, for example, if I have a web page related to digital marketing, the digital like I want that the digital marketing to rank on digital marketing page to rank on that word. So I am repeating the same word like digital marketing in every line, which is known as keyword stuffing. Like I'm using the same keyword like in every line, and I should not do that. So that is like the practice we should not follow. Then we have cloaking. Cloaking is basically presenting different content to search engines and different like some other content to users so that you can deceive the search engine search algorithm. So cloaking is that you are something else from inside and you have something else. You can say you have covered yourself or you have cloaked yourself, you have hidden yourself basically. You are not what you are actually showing yourself for the search engines for the algorithms. Then we have hidden text or links. Hidden text or links, when you place your text or links that are invisible to user but detectable by the search engine. So, for example, if your web page has white background and you are showing some keywords from like a white text, now the user will not see it, but our crawler will see those words. So that is something no included in hidden text or links. Then we have link farming. Link farming is basically when you create or participate in schemes to artificially inflate, like increase the number of backlinks of your website. So that is getting like fake backlinks to your website. So you should not do that. Then we have doorway pages. In doorway pages, you create low quality pages which are optimized for specific keywords that redirect to users to a different page. So you must have how can I show you? One second, let me check if I can show you. There are some websites like one second, I have to check. Okay. Okay, I'll leave that. If I find some example of it, I'll show you. So there are some website like whenever you click on that website or any word or link on that, then that website will be taking you, that click will be taking you to some other websites. So that are considered as doorway pages. Then we have content automation. In content automation, or you automatically generate content using some software or scripts to create like large volume of low quality and sensical basically, and it the content is like often to manipulate the search engine rankings. So that is content automation. And like as per the algorithm, we should like use less of AI content so that we can like improve our ranking better. Then we have link manipulation. Link manipulation, this includes basically when you buy links which are in link farming network of sites that link to each other, or use automated programs so that you can create links to a website. These techniques basically aim to artificially inflate the number of inbound links to a website. So as we discussed earlier, that these links are basically to show that yes, this website has more backlinks than it actually has. Then we have article spinning. So article spinning is basically rewriting some existing articles using some softwares or getting multiple versions with some like slight variations, very few variations. And these spun articles are then distributed across various websites so that they create an illusion of some different content, but actually they are the same content which is already present on the internet, but with some changes. And you can generate backlinks from that content as well. Then we have negative SEO. Negative SEO is basically when you deliberately attempt to harm a competitor's search engine rankings, and by implementing some like you do black hat SEO techniques on your what we say then, competitors website, so that their ranking is harmed and their ranking gets slowed down, or they get on bad rankings. So this is basically include in building spammy backlinks to their website or copying their content across like multiple domains. Then we have clickbaiting. Clickbaiting, you have both have heard about this term clickbait. So this is creating some sensationalized or some misleading headlines. You must have seen in the YouTube thumbnails that the YouTube thumbnail tells something different, but if you open that video, it has something different else. So that is considered as clickbaiting. While it is not actually considered or like always considered as black hat SEO, but if you use it like excessively or in a deceptive manner, it can be used like it can harm the user experience and violate the search engine guidelines. So that is clickbaiting. Then we have cyber squatting. Cyber squatting is basically registering your domain names similar to the existing brands or trademarks in order to get a profit from their reputation or divert their traffic to your website or some other website. So that is cyber squatting. Coming to the example of a black hat SEO, so a website uses some hidden stuff with keywords, like it has already hidden text stuff with keywords at the bottom of its page, making it invisible to the users, but visible to the search engine crawling so that they can manipulate search engine ranking. So that is the like if you have a website and you put all the keywords at the like very bottom of the website which is are not visible, like which is if your website is white color, then you have used the text in white color only and it is not visible to the user, but obviously visible to the search engine crawlers, and it will manipulate your search engine ranking. Then there is a website owner may publish several pages targeting a specific regions that all direct users to the same landing page. So this is this is doorway pages, which we discussed just now. So they have several pages, but they are targeting those specific regions and which direct users to the same landing page. The landing page has plugin can be used to create doorway pages, and it like we have multiple domains or the plugins which we can use to create doorway pages, and making this underhanded technique appealing, and it looks appealing but it is not, so we have to take care of that. Gray hat SEO we will discuss in the next class. So that's all about today. I hope these topics are clear, like SEO and two techniques of SEO.
Yes, very
Yes, ma'am.
clear.
If you have any queries, you can, I'll upload this material on the portal on your dashboard. You can access all the mm, recordings and all the material from the dashboard only. If you have any difficulties in accessing the dashboard, you can connect with, like you can message in the group. Our coordinator will connect with you and try to resolve your issue. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. I hope the class was good. Everything was clear, is clear to both of you.
Like it's very good.
Okay. Okay, then it's fine. That is good. Then I'll upload the content on the on your dashboard. Please go through it and like go through it very carefully. That's it for today's class. I'll see you in the next class. Bye, both of you. Have
Okay,
a nice
ma'am.
day
Bye.
Yes, bye.
ahead.
Okay, thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Bye.